shelter in the hallways. Event staff are available to guide and assist you. Your attention, please, for your safety.
Hey everyone, this is Tim with Online Big Blue, bringing you the best in New York Giants sports talk and entertainment. It is early in the morning. We got home late from the Giant game. Good game. Enjoyed it, except for the rain delay. What we did at the game is we shot a lot of video for you from the Coaches Club. We were going to go on the field last night, but it was just way too late. We're going to go do that after the Chicago game. So, but enjoy. There's a lot of good video, a lot of good scenes, a lot of good behind-the-scenes stuff, a lot of good stuff about the rain delay, a lot of good close-up pictures of the players and video of the players. Daniel Jones, you know what? 5 for 5, opening drive, fantastic, loved it. You could see by the video between the fans when Eli came in and Daniel Jones came in. We got to relax, guys. He's not the quarterback messiah yet. We don't know yet. We have to wait and see. It is preseason. It is one series. We have a long way to go. I am a Daniel Jones fan and a Daniel Jones supporter, but let's just hold off and see what happens. So without further ado, please enjoy our trip through the Coaches Club. Some close-up looks at some of the players. Yeah, we got a really nice shots of the players leaving the field, right, like a foot away from them, which was pretty cool. So enjoy. And again, this is Tim with Online Big Blue, bringing you the best New York Giants sports talk and entertainment. Very tired, very fatigued. That rain delay killed us, and like I said, I live about 2 hours away, so it's not an easy trip. So enjoy.
Coaches Club. We're going to go out to the best part right now. No reason to wait.
Victor! Who's on my jersey?
I'm not going up against him. I'll run the other way.
That's a first down. First and 10 for 12. And take shelter in the hallways. Event staff are available to guide and assist you. Your attention please. For your safety, we're going to have everyone leave the outdoor seating bowl area and take shelter inside the stadium because of severe weather in the area. Please do not congregate near the exits as others are leaving the outdoor seating bowl area. You should use the space on the ramps at the ends of the stadium as well. Those on the field, please walk calmly to the nearest tunnel and take shelter in the hallways. Event staff are available to guide and assist you. Your attention please. For your safety, we're going to have everyone leave the outdoor seating bowl area and take shelter inside the stadium because of severe weather in the area. Please do not congregate near the exits as others are leaving the outdoor seating bowl area. You should use the space on the ramps at the ends of the stadium as well. Those on the field, please walk calmly to the nearest tunnel and take shelter in the hallways. Event staff are available to guide and assist you.
I'm pulling a pallet and this when it's happening, pouring on your head. Everything, not just my head, everything.
I started football at 5, and I had no clue what I was doing. Figuring on the slide, all I knew was to run around, get the ball. So defense, and I turned right back around the other way. And the whole crowd was telling me, man, turn around. And I keep on going like I scored for the whole team.
Situation has been resolved and it is now all clear and safe to return to your assigned seating location. Thank you for your Situation has been resolved and it is now all clear and safe to return to your assigned seating location. Thank you for your patience.
Yellow.
We are headed out to the Giants game. It is about 3 hours before kickoff. Today we are going to be bringing everyone into the Coaches Club. It's a great place to watch the game. If you've never been there, I highly suggest it. And I think you'll enjoy what we're going to do. I'm going to pan around. You can see right now we are truly stuck in New York Giant rush hour traffic. Not a big fan of these 7 o'clock games, but what are you going to do? You got to beat rush hour. I like to try to get to the game like 2-3 hours early, so I hang out. But we will see what happens. Again, this is Tim with Online Big Blue, and we are bringing you the best of New York Giant sports talk and entertainment from the Coaches Club. We also will try to get on the field this evening after the game, which is always fun, and take some pictures, take some photos, maybe ask some people some questions. But again, like I said, we are just stuck in traffic. So here we go. Daniel Jones, it is time. What are we going to do, Daniel Jones? Let's see. I figure Eli's going to have the first series or two. We're going to kind of go from there. So I'm going to record this now for posterity, or whatever the hell it's called. I can never say that word. And then see what happens towards this evening, and we'll piece together. I think Jones is probably going to play, I would say, the second or third series. I would probably figure he's going to have the starting offensive line in front of him for those couple series. So I think the offensive line will probably play more downs than normal this preseason, only because of the fact that you're not going to take the 6th overall pick and put him out in front of the line, without anyone that can block for him. So, but we will see what happens. Again, here we go. We are still stuck in the Online Big Blue traffic, and we will see you shortly at the stadium.